My name is Mark Morton, and this is a screencast that I've made for a workshop on Camtasia that you are in right now. And you'll be using this screencast to practice several editing features in Camtasia. Namely, first of all, you're going to be splitting this video clip into two clips. And why would you want to do that in real life? Well, because you might want to insert another clip into the middle of a clip. So after you split this video clip into two clips, you'll be adding another little clip that we'll be giving you. And that's what number 2 is, inserting a third video clip between the two clips that you just split. Third, you are going to be removing a section of a video clip. And the reason you might do that is, well, for example, you perhaps are making a screencast with Camtasia and somebody knocks at your door, or maybe you sneeze, or, well, just in fact, I didn't turn down the system volume on my computer, and so you probably just heard the Outlook messaging, or maybe the phone rings, and so you have to remove that. Fourth, you are going to be practicing adding a title card, and a title card is basically the kind of thing that, like if you recall old silent movies from the 1920s, all of a sudden a text would appear on the screen and it would say what is about to happen. It's almost like telling you what the next chapter is going to be in the movie, or in this case, the screencast. You're also going to be adding a callout, and a callout is simply a way of indicating or rather emphasizing something on the screen. Perhaps there's something small on the screen, or maybe there are many things on the screen and you want to draw attention to one, and so you emphasize it by putting an arrow as a callout, or a circle, or highlighting it, or something like that. That's what a callout is. And then sixth and lastly, you're going to practice zooming in and out on a specific part of the screen, which will effectively make it appear, that part of the screen will appear bigger for the viewer. Okay, so sounds okay? I hope so. So let's move to the next slide here. What I'm going to be talking about here, and again, this is just raw material for you to work with. I'm going to talk about where I am from in Canada. And, well, I'm going to start with the Earth. We are all from Earth. There it is. I'm not from this side of the Earth. I am from this side. There's North America and Central America, South America. And specifically, I am from this part of North America, the very top. And oh, and there is a phone call. Oh no, now I'm gonna have to answer the phone and start over from where I were. Oh, hello? Yeah, I can't talk right now. I'm just making a screencast. Okay, yeah, talk to you soon. Okay, so the phone call is done, and what I need to do right now is I need to take my phone, the handset, off of the phone and unplug it so that that doesn't happen again. So now what I'm going to do is start again where I was. So here we are in Canada, the very top of North America, and the big blue part there, that is Hudson Bay, and of course the Pacific Ocean on one side and the Atlantic Ocean on the other side. Now this is just a satellite image of Canada, and if you want to see what the actual political boundaries look like, we look at this map, and you can see the provinces here, running from British Columbia on the one side to Newfoundland on the other. We right now are in Ontario, in Waterloo. Waterloo is not shown on the map, but you can see Toronto there, and you can see London there, and Waterloo is right between Toronto and London. So this might be a good place for you to add a call-out, and you can indicate with the call-out the approximate location of Waterloo between Toronto and London, and you can use an arrow or a dot or whatever you prefer. Okay, moving on now. I am from, actually, sorry, let me go back here. I am from the province of Saskatchewan. That's where I grew up. You can see it there in the middle of the country. And I am from the southeast corner. I grew up on a farm in the southeast corner, so you can see Regina there. So it would be, I grew up sort of below, closer to the United States border, and further to the right, to the east, is the farm where I grew up in Saskatchewan. Now, Saskatchewan is known for its wheat fields and its prairie. It's very flat, and this is a typical view of the area of Saskatchewan where I grew up as a kid. And I've taken this image from Google Earth. This is a satellite image of the farm where I grew up, and you can see, well, first of all, the little dark patches all over the land. Those are marshes or swamps where it's lower and water appears there in the spring. And in the very, very middle, you can see this tiny little dot that is the farmhouse where I grew up. Now, this, in fact, is the house where I grew up. And this might not make sense, but let's just use this as a spot, or just before we get to this picture, as the place where you are going to insert a title card. And maybe on the title card you can put the following text. You can put something like the house of Mark Morton, or the farmhouse where Mark grew up, or something like that. So you can put that on the title card as a way of kind of introducing this magnificent mansion. And I should say that the house didn't look like this when I was a kid. After we left the farm in 1980 something or other, no one else lived there. So no one has lived in the house for 35 years or so, and so the house has fallen into disrepair, and basically it's a ruin now. And but in a way it's acquired its own beauty. This picture I took just a few months ago when I was out there in the winter. What else do we need to practice? We need to practice one more thing as well, which is zooming in. So let's use this slide. Let's choose something like over on the right hand side, on the east of Canada, in other words, you'll see Prince Edward Island. And Prince Edward Island is a tiny country. Well, let's pretend that for some reason you wanted to zoom in and show where Prince Edward Island is. Use this part of the screencast to zoom in on Prince Edward Island. Zoom in on it for 5-10 seconds, and then zoom back out. And I think that is everything that I want to talk about to give you some raw material. So I'm going to end this now, and you can have fun practicing.